Hi guys, we're back for another wash day routine, and as always, if you've been on my channel before, you guys know we wet first and then we go into the products. But I just need to get my hair as saturated as possible because, as you can probably tell, it's dirty, it's dry, we need to get this washed. So today I'm using the Maui Moisture Smooth and Repair Vanilla Bean line, and I have their shampoo, their conditioner, and their hair butter. So starting with the shampoo, it's a very good sized bottle and the smell is amazing. The texture on this is kind of runny but a little bit sticky, and upon first putting it into my hair, I really felt the moisture. Like, this immediately went in and softened my hair. I was like, that's pretty quick. The suds was pretty good during the first go around. It didn't suds up as much as I would like, I guess, on a first go, but my hair was dirty, and I just noticed immediately how my curls responded to this very, very well. Like, you guys can probably tell immediately that my curls are popping. I was shocked, and that's just the first wash, and I went in a second time just to see how the moisture level would be or how my hair would respond to a second go around. Still moisturized, a little bit stripped, but my curls still looked really good and hydrated. Now, one thing I think I'm really enjoying in this shampoo, or this line in particular, is inside of it they have this kukui oil. I hope I'm saying it right. And it's supposed to be an oil that helps with humidity and smoothing and just giving the hair an overall really frizz-free look. So that's exactly what we're going for today. Next up, I went in with the conditioner. Now, the conditioner smells really good as well. Unfortunately, the consistency of this is really thick, and the packaging, in my opinion, is wrong because of the consistency of it. So I would obviously really love, as you guys can see, I'm really struggling, love for them to put this in a jar. Okay, that's the only way to get that out. I would not recommend a pump either. They just put it in the regular packaging. That's not gonna work. This stuff is thick, okay? So I decided I had to really work this in my hair and warm this up in my hair, and that's exactly what happened. In order to get this to really get the job done, you have to work this into the hair because it's so thick. But other than that, it's a really good conditioner. My hair enjoyed this. In terms of slip, it's not as slippery as some conditioners would be, but it did do a really good job once it was worked in to detangle my curls and to really moisturize them. Like, you could probably see as I'm finger detangling that my curls are popping. This is not a joke. This is real time. I didn't even speed this part up, but my hair really loved the conditioner. I'm impressed.
Bathing in the light that you share, you're like the sun. Who am I to think how it'd be if you were mine? I've been walking with my shades on for so long, I can't seem to get them back on. 'Cause ooh, how I fell in love, couldn't see it coming, blasting my stereo. I can feel it coming, you on my radio. All I'm hearing is a song.
Once it was time to rinse out, I was so glad I gave the Maui Moisture Smooth and Repair Vanilla Bean collection a try. Guys, my curls really enjoyed this. This really gave them the boost of moisture that it needed, and it also helped with smoothing my curls out. You probably can see the definition in my curls, guys. Absolutely amazing. I'm in love with this set. I need them to add more products to the line because it not only smells good, but it actually works. And what I'm going to go ahead and do is put a side by side of where my hair started before washing and where it is after. You guys can probably see a major difference. Absolutely in love with this.
Sharing all your secrets with me.
Once I was done with the shampoo and conditioner, I did go ahead and use a separate deep conditioner. I left my little towel on for a little while, let my hair dry, but my hair is really soft and airy, guys, and I noticed a big difference in my curl definition. Absolutely hydrated. I'm I'm really impressed. Hair was left really soft and airy, but I'm gonna go in with the Maui Moisture Smooth and Repair Vanilla Bean Hair Butter. This again is supposed to help with frizzy, unruly hair, help with smoothing, and making sure that the hair gets the moisture that it needs. Another thick formulation. Again, it's in a jar. I appreciate that, and that's what I wanted the conditioner to be in, but we're gonna go ahead with the hair butter. Like I said, I use this for my moisturizer for the day, and my hair actually liked this. Soaked it up. It took a while to really work it into my strands, to get rid of all the white that's going on, to make sure that it melted in. But once it was melted in, it really helped with defining my curls for the day. They didn't feel heavy or weighted or oily or greasy or anything like that. Once this was in my hair strands, it really moisturized my hair, and it kept it moisturized throughout the day. So after that, I just let my hair sit and air dry for the rest of the day, guys. Let me know what you guys thought of this particular line just by seeing me try it. I really enjoy it. Like I said, I want them to add more products because this, I think, is the first time that I had a Maui Moisture set that I was absolutely in love with, and this one is it. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching and subscribing if you have, and I'll definitely see you in my next wash day really, really soon. Bye.
Like that you share, you like the sun. Who am I to think how it be if you were mine? I've been walking with my shades on for so long.